Hey, Ali Flores here again with OrlandoVacation.com. All right, looking for a fun and free activity the whole family can enjoy? The Disney Springs Christmas Tree Trail allows you to explore the beauty of Disney Springs while on a scavenger hunt for Christmas trees. This is everything you need to know about the Disney Springs Christmas Tree Stroll. But before you stroll away from this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you can get notified of new and helpful videos for planning your next Orlando vacation. The Christmas Tree Stroll has become a tradition in Disney Springs since it debuted in 2015. Since then, it has grown from 15 trees to 20 in just the past couple of years and now spreads out across all of Disney Springs. The highly decorated trees along the trail have various Disney themes ranging from Cinderella to Star Wars, and all of the trees are covered in ornaments and garlands. For an example of what to expect, there was a year when Disney Springs had a Lion King tree that was decorated with natural elements, such as palm fronds and grasses along with wooden ornaments, paw prints, and woven designs. The Disney Springs Christmas Tree Trail officially begins at the beginning of November and goes through the holiday season until the end of December. You can search for the trees at any time from opening to close at Disney Springs. To participate in the scavenger hunt, you can pick up a Christmas Tree Stroll map from select locations. Then all you have to do is find a Christmas tree that's marked on the map and match it with the sticker that fits the theme. The map marks where every one of the themed trees are and comes with the corresponding stickers. It'll be a great time for everyone. And the best part, after finding the Christmas trees, you can return to one of the map pickup locations and claim a free prize. And if you want another souvenir for completing your Christmas tree scavenger hunt, you can find some of the signature ornaments from each of the trees at various stores around Disney Springs. Don't forget to keep your map after your scavenger hunt so you can use the discounts on the back to save at the various restaurants and shops along Disney Springs. This includes getting up to 20% off at places such as Blaze Pizza, CityWorks, Chicken Guy, and more. You can pick up your Christmas Tree Trail map at any one of 5 stores: CityWorks Eatery and Poorhouse, The Boathouse, Under Armour Brand House, Amorette's Pastisserie Basin. You can also download a map from the Disney Springs website, but it won't come with the stickers to turn in for your prize. While searching for Christmas trees, you can also stop to see Santa. You can find him right inside the Once Upon a Toy store around mid to late December. Guests can see him anytime between 10 a.m. to 11 p.m. for some one-on-one time with festive backdrop. Keep in mind, these times may change and Santa needs to take some breaks as well. Oh, PhotoPass. PhotoPass photographers are also available to capture this enchanting moment. In case the line is long, be sure to join the virtual queue. While you're waiting to see Santa, don't miss out on your own holiday deals, especially on Black Friday. There are so many incredible gift ideas at the dozens of Disney Springs stores. There's bound to be something for everyone. There is also a host of Disney street performers to keep you entertained throughout your Disney Springs adventure. You can spot the strolling pianist playing popular holiday hits along with a cappella groups and pop carolers. Don't forget to be on the lookout for the toy soldiers, stilt walkers, and the snowflake skaters. All right, if you're looking for more entertainment, the Once Upon a Time stage area will have a live DJ and Christmas cheer. There will also be a holiday-themed DJ at Marketplace Waterside stage where you can listen to Christmas music and play games. A fun addition to really complete the Disney Springs Christmas experience is a magical snowfall that takes place in the town center of Disney Springs each evening. Even though it's not the real thing, this magical snow called Snope helps bring a white Christmas to Orlando. As the sun starts to set, you will be able to experience a fun tree lighting ceremony where a family of the day will be chosen to light the Marketplace Christmas tree in front of the Once Upon a Toy fountain play area. Disney Springs can be a lot to see in one day, so we recommend taking a couple of days to get the full experience. If you only have one day, we recommend starting early and spending a whole day at Disney Springs to get the most out of your Christmas experience. If you're looking for more tips and tricks for your next Orlando vacation or need help planning, be sure to check out our website at OrlandoVacation.com, where we offer the best discounted prices and have a variety of blogs to help you make the most out of your Orlando vacation. All right, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye, everybody.